Hello, I'm Wayne Scherner from the Bell County Master Gardener Association. Our mission is to assist the Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service in providing high-quality, relevant, research-based horticultural education to the citizens of Bell County and the state of Texas. We are working with the Belton High School in the production of these videos and would like to thank them for their support. Today we're going to talk about soil testing, so let's get on with the show.
Hello, my name is Emily O'Brien. And I'm Grace Green, and we are with the Belton FFA. Today, we are going to talk about soil samples and their importance. We will cover the proper way to take a soil sample and what information the soil test report tells you about your garden or landscape. If you wish to be successful in growing any type of plants, be it vegetables, herb gardens, landscape plants, or a lush green lawn, you need to know how well prepared your soil is for the type of plant you wish to grow. That is what a soil sample is designed to tell you. A soil sample should represent a given area of your lawn or garden that has a similar use. For example, your front yard, backyard, planting bed, garden, or others. You may wish to take several samples to get a good representation of the area to be planted. Sample areas separately if you observe distinct differences in slope, soil texture, for example sandy areas versus clay, or water drainage. You can see the flags that we have placed in the areas to be sampled. If not collected properly, the sample will not be as accurate as you need. So let's see how to take a proper soil sample. First, you should check with your local agricultural agent for a soil test form used in your area. Get the urban and homeowner soil sample information form, and get a sample bag from your local AgriLife office. You can download the form from the Texas A&M website. A link for the form will be provided in the description below. You will need a clean bucket or plastic container to collect your sample. Access to a commercial grade or professional sampler will make it very easy to take a proper sample. If not, there are a variety of tools that can be used for taking samples. An ordinary shovel or gardening trowel will suffice. Using a tool, scrape away any non-decomposed plant tissue and materials. The best way to get a clean core is to dig a hole about 6 inches deep in the sample area. Next, cut a core or divot 6 inches from the edge of the hole. You may wish to clean any stones or organic material out of the sample so only the soil is present. Place the first sample in the bucket or plastic container. Repeat the steps as many times as necessary for the lawn or garden area which is being considered for testing. Mix all collected soil thoroughly, removing any roots or other visible plant materials. Then place 2 to 3 cups of soil in your sample bag. You may wish to air dry the soil sample if it feels wet to the touch. On the front of the form is a column marked My Sample ID. This is a personal ID such as front yard lawn or vegetable garden plot. Label the bag with a permanent marker, clearly identifying each bag with the same personal sample ID used on the front side of the form. To mail your sample, complete the information on the form provided for your use and mail it to the address located on your submission form. The report that you get from the soil test lab may differ from the one you see here, but it should contain similar information. Check with your local agricultural agent if you need assistance in understanding the results. One of the first things to look for is the pH value. This is a measure of the acidity or alkalinity of your soil. The next part of the form should show you the availability of nutrients that are required for healthy plant growth. Here's a line showing the critical level, which is the minimum level required by plants. You can see which are sufficient and which are below what is needed. Lastly, you should be given an indication or suggestions of how to correct any nutrient deficiencies that the test has revealed.
Well, that was helpful information. Hopefully you learned a lot about soil testing. If you need more information, feel free to contact the Bell County Master Gardener Association or the Texas A&M AgriLife County Extension Agent at the information on your screen. Thank you very much for your attention.